Yes, start. I rise to support this bill brought forward by the government in regard to land ceiling in Delhi area. Full stop. Sir, as has been said by my colleagues from both sides of the house, and selling is one aspect of land management in the agricultural economy of this country. Full stop. While supporting the bill, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister, who himself is a knowledgeable person and who knows from about land management, to two important points which occur to me. Full stop. One point is that land should be productive, productive in the real sense, so that they may be able to take not only one crop but two crops as well. Full stop. They will be in a position then to generate more surplus for the consumers. Full stop. In this connection, the latest reports of the National Sample Survey, the RBI, and agricultural census published by his ministry are very bright. Full stop. I do not want to go into the details because so many honorable members have said about this, and the honorable minister is also aware of this. Full stop. By and large, what comes out is that a very large number of people are holding small acreages, and therefore it has to be seen whether these large number of people will be able to manage this, and what efforts will have to be put in by the government and the banking system in that regard. Full stop. Next stanza. Sir, I was surprised to learn about 63% of the agricultural population, which contributes goods worth about rupees 1700 crores, needs roughly about rupees 7000 crores for its consumption requirements. Full stop. Therefore, the rural indebtedness is increasing day by day. Full stop. Similarly, it is seen from the agricultural census and the report of the National Sample Survey that the small farmers and the marginal farmers are being converted gradually into what are called agricultural laborers. Full stop. Therefore, you cannot create industrial opportunities if there is this staggering conversion of marginal and sub-marginal farmers to agricultural or landless laborer. Full stop. Therefore, it is necessary that the land which is going to be made available should be made productive, and this is the present need of the country. Full stop. In this connection, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to a very illuminating research carried out by one lady scientist, and which has been published very recently. Full stop and over.